Hello and welcome to That Suite. My name is Sarah Emery and today I'm going to show you how to find deleted transaction records in NetSuite. System notes in NetSuite are fantastically useful for identifying when transactions have been created or modified, but how can you find information about records that no longer exist? The Audit Trail tool makes quick work of finding records that were deleted. Let's walk through how it works. If I navigate to Transactions, Management, View Audit Trail, the View Audit Trail interface loads. Here I can add filters to limit the results based on the specific records I'm trying to target. I'll start by selecting Delete in the Action field, though this tool can also be used to find records that were created or changed. Select Users to limit the results to only those records deleted by specific employees. Enter a transaction date filter to search within a limited date range, or an amount filter to target records of a defined value. The transaction type field allows you to select one or more record types using the Control or Shift keys to select multiple values. Results can also be limited to only those impacting a defined account. Multiple accounts can be selected as desired. And finally, the name field can be used to specify one or more entity records listed on the impacted transaction. You can configure as many or as few filters as needed. Just be aware that broader criteria with fewer filters will take more time to execute than narrow criteria with well-defined filters. For this demonstration, because I'm in a demo environment with limited data, I'm going to leave the criteria open. I'm going to click Submit to see a list of all deleted records. Once the audit trail loads, I can see a list of all the deleted records along with information on record type, document number, amount, deletion date, and the user who performed the deletion. Because the records no longer exist, I'm not able to drill into the deleted records for any further details, but the information provided does go a long way when trying to investigate missing data or identify problematic user behavior. The Audit Trail is an invaluable tool for system administrators. I have personally used this tool many times over to help me understand everything from underwater inventory caused by deleted inventory adjustments to permission changes that needed to be made to roles. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, or if you have ideas about other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe for even more NetSuite tips, tricks, and helpful hints. I'll be back again next week with another video to help you live that sweet life.